Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn what is the use of NavLink. In the last video we have seen that how we can create such kind of navigation by using link like this. But we told you that in the link we do not have an active service class. If you see that inspect window and we inspect the code here, you see that whenever I click on this home, so inside this you see that here in home tag, if I click, we have a home anchor tag here. You see that this we have, and here that we have. We do not have an active class here. In link tag we are using, in link tag here you see anchor tag is coming. We do not have any active class here. No class is active. We have set this as a active, but it is not a class. Here if I click on service, so we do not have active. If I click on contact, then I do not have an active class here also. You see that we do not have active class here in contact also. So in link we can't check whether the link is active or not. So that is the problem. So that solution is the NavLink. So in place of link, just I control shift and L. So in place of link we change it to NavLink like this. Save this. So now you see that nothing is changed. So we have one error here. So whenever just we start to use this NavLink, then this class work because it's have an active class and it generating an error, because in React we should have a class name, not a class. So control shift L press here and we say class name like this. Save this and save it. So we convert all these to class name, and if you see the output, nothing is changed, everything is here. We refresh it. So we have this, all link are working. Remember that we are convert to the NavLink to the link, and because of the NavLink all these class name is also creating a problem, because in React we have a class name, not a class. So we convert this into class name. Now if you see the output again in body, again if you see body here, and we have nav tag here. Inside this we have another nav tag here, and inside this if we see, you see that we have a active class also. Remember that is by default active, we can remove it, but we have a active here. And if I click on service, you see now service is active, service having a active class, remember that. Now I click on contact, so you see service active is gone. Now we have active on the class, you see. So I just click here on the about us, you see about us is active. Remember that about us is active. Click on contact, then contact is active, likewise service is active, likewise home is active. So by default we have set the home as a active like this by using this key, this class, this is active by default. But in NavLink we have a dynamically change class, is called active. Whenever we open services, then service become active. So with this class we can set the active link also in our web page. So how we will do this active, we will see in the next video. In this video we have seen how to convert link to NavLink, and then how to convert this class to class name for React application, and we have seen that how dynamically active class is added to each and every NavLink. So now the question arises, what is the difference between NavLink and link? Actually both are equal in working, only one change is there. Whenever you want to set an active link in your website, then you have to use NavLink. But if you don't want to set any active link, without active link you want to just open some page without showing active link, then you can use link. Both are equivalent for that. So working is equivalent, just NavLink having a one extra feature that it have a active class link with the active link whenever we use NavLink in place of link. That's all in this video. I think you learned something. If you do, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.